Skoda wanted to capture the movement of workers on their production line so that they could carry out an ergonomic evaluation. To date, it had only been possible to capture movement of workers in a lab environment, and it was felt this was not always representative of their actual movements while carrying out their tasks on the assembly line. In order to proceed, Skoda asked Anamazu to meet two requirements. First was that the motion capture system had to be used on the actual production line, which historically has been a very challenging environment in which to use an inertial mocap system because of the magnetic interference that's present there. An optical system had already been ruled out because of issues with macro-occlusion. The second requirement was that the data had to be streamed in real time from the motion capture system into a software package made by Siemens called Jack, which is used for ergonomic testing. Siemens Jack is an important tool for Skoda as it allows them to take a high-tech approach to optimizing the ergonomics of the workplace. Meeting these two requirements would allow Skoda to use Jack in the real world, where assembly operations could be recorded, analysed and optimised using real experienced workers. By working with Skoda, Anamazu was able to develop a motion capture system that we now call the IGS-180i. The IGS-180i can be used in industrial environments because it has an enhanced hardware and software feature set. We were also able to create the first real-time Siemens Jack plugin for an inertial motion capture system, and that allowed the Skoda team to move forward with their project. Skoda now have a number of options. They can interact with real cars, with virtual prototypes of cars that are designed in 3D CAD software. They can experiment with different equipment used during car assembly. They can test the assembly of problematic parts and also evaluate the positions of their workers. By operating in this way, Skoda have reduced production costs and also the incidence of workplace injury by designing a more worker-friendly assembly line. Using the motion capture suite also reduces the cost of carrying out the actual analysis itself. Other customers have told us that it takes a highly trained Jack user 4 hours to simulate and create just 1 minute of worker movement. So this solution provides a very fast